Scene script. Ever find yourself tangled in the web of terms like quality assurance, quality control, and quality management systems? You're not alone. These terms often get tossed around interchangeably, but they hold distinct meanings and functions within an organization. Let's start by laying out the landscape with a side-by-side comparison. Imagine a theatrical play. Quality assurance is like the rehearsals. It's all about setting up processes and ensuring everything is in place to deliver a flawless performance. It's preventive, focusing on avoiding errors before they occur. Switch scenes to quality control. This is the live performance with an audience. Here, the focus is on detection. It's the checks performed to ensure the product meets the standards and specifications. Think of it as the quality inspector with a checklist, watching every scene closely, ready to act if something goes awry. Now, enter the director of the play, akin to the quality management system. This system encompasses both quality assurance and quality control. It's the overarching framework that guides the entire quality process, ensuring consistency, efficiency, and continuous improvement across all stages of production. To illustrate, consider a manufacturing company. Quality assurance in this context might involve setting up training for workers, developing robust processes, and selecting high-quality materials. Quality control, on the other hand, would be the ongoing inspection of the assembly line, catching and addressing defects as products are made. Output? Both quality assurance and quality control are integral parts of the quality management system, which defines how these processes interact and are governed. It's a holistic approach, ensuring that the final product not only meets quality standards but also aligns with the company's strategic goals. In summary, while quality assurance is about process-oriented preventive measures, quality control focuses on product-oriented detection tactics. Both feed into the quality management system, which governs and enhances the overall quality strategy of an organization. And there you have it, a clearer picture of how quality assurance, quality control, and quality management systems play distinct yet interconnected roles in maintaining and elevating standards within any company.